The study examines sentinel lymph node-positive breast cancer, assessing the generalizability of randomized clinical trial results. It compares the ongoing SENOMAC trial, which investigates omission of axillary dissection versus standard axillary dissection, with real-world data from the National Breast Cancer Database, NKBC. This interim external validity analysis, involving approximately 1,000 participants, uses a comparative analysis to evaluate trial outcomes in broader clinical practice. Detailed research statistics, including hazard ratios for disease-free survival and recurrence rates, show that patients receiving omission of axillary dissection demonstrated comparable disease-free survival and reduced recurrence rates to those undergoing standard axillary dissection within the NKBC cohort. This suggests the SENOMAC trial's positive findings on omitting axillary dissection are robustly generalizable. Actually, no. The trial's methodology and outcomes hold strong external validity, supporting the clinical adoption of omitting axillary dissection as a safe and effective strategy, confirming reliable evidence for real-world implementation.